minus b whole square I wrote. On the other side I got a square plus b square minus twice ab. Everybody knows how did it come?
Yes.
Okay, we did it in okay, the last paper is right. So this is one side. There's an equal to in between. This is another side, right?
Yes.
I call this side as LHS and I call this side as RHS. Left hand side. What is this?
Right hand side.
Okay. Now definition of identity tells me E का वैल्यू मैं कभी तो कुछ डालूंगा. I will put the value of A as something sometime. So imagine I put the value of A as 1 and B is equal to 2. ठीक है? If I put these two values here, I'll get मुझे कुछ एक आंसर मिलेगा. If I put the same values here, मुझे कुछ एक आंसर मिलेगा उस साइड में. If I notice that both the answers are coming out to be equal, not just for 1 and 2, for any value of A and B. A का value अगर next मैंने 0 कर दिया, B का value भी 0 कर दिया, and I try finding the answer, I'll still have it. If I still have the same answer coming out on both the sides, then I call it as an identity. Example देखो. First consider करते हैं A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. ठीक है? I put it here. A is equal to 1 होगा तो ये 1 minus 2. Okay, let's make it a little bit easier. A को 2 करो, B को 1 करो. ठीक है? चल गया? I put 2 as A, I put B as 1, and I put whole square. ठीक है? What will be my final answer? 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 square is 1. ठीक है? इस साइड का देखो. A मेरा क्या था? 2 square plus B क्या था? 1 square plus 2 into 1 into. ठीक है? ठीक है? This is 4 plus 1 minus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 कितना होता है? कितना? 4. 2 into 2 4. Plus 4 minus 4. What is left? 1. Left hand side, right hand side क्या आया? Equal आया?
Yes.
Equal आया? So what did I see? I put some value of A and B. I get left hand side and right hand side as equal. Note to make up. Cool note. Try doing this along with me. मैं 0 के लिए करूँगा. ये लिखो पहले. Write this expression. के लिए मैंने 0 डाला. यहाँ भी देखो A के लिए मैंने 0 डाला, B के लिए मैंने 0 डाला, A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus twice AB. ठीक है? 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square is 0, right? ये आंसर समझ में आया? How about this? What is 0 square? What is 0 square? 2 into 0 कितना होता है? तो फाइनली आंसर 0. What did I see? इसमें मैं जो भी वैल्यू डालूंगा, देखो 2 बार प्रूव हो गया है. Once I have taken this, once I have taken this. Now always remember one thing. तुम्हारे exercise 75 में क्वेश्चन होगा कि check whether they are identity or not. How will you check? वहाँ तुम्हारे चार्ट दिए हुए हैं. Okay. So they have given you test with 0, 1, 2 or 3. You are ideally supposed to test for all 4 of them. But हमेशा याद रखना, अगर 2 बार टेस्ट हो गया है कि आइडेंटिटी है, that means वो आइडेंटिटी है. If it is equal on both sides for any 2 values, 2 sets of values, नहीं तो 2 values. Sets of values होगा अगर मेरे पास 2 वेरिएबल है, A और B 2 वेरिएबल था मेरे पास, और अगर इंडिविजुअल वेरिएबल होता है तो 2 values. If it is correct for 2 instances, this will be an identity. Now ये identity है, होगा कि नहीं? Because any value I put here, my left hand side will always be equal to the right hand side. समझ में आया? Is it clear? 0 वाला करके लो.